Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to clear the cache on your Xbox Series X in 2025 to fix low performance, crashes or weird glitches. Step 1. Power down your console completely. Hold the Xbox power button on the front until the light turns off, then unplug the power cable from the back. Step 2. Wait at least 60 seconds. This fully drains any leftover power and clears temporary data stuck in the memory. Step 3. While waiting, you can also hold the power button down for 10 seconds with the cable unplugged. This forces the system to release stored cache. Step 4. Plug your power cable back in, then turn your Xbox Series X on. That's it, your cache is cleared and the console should run smoother. Optional. Pro tip, if you want to go further, you can also clear the persistent storage. Go to Settings, Devices, Connections, Blu-ray Persistent Storage. Clear this, wipes leftover Blu-ray cache files. And that's all. Unplug and wait, plug back in and restart. Quick and simple, and your Xbox Series X should feel fresh again. Thanks everyone for watching.